everybody. And in today's video, we are testing to see what two wheelock ASs sound like together. So, this is going to be very, very loud. So, give me a second while I wire these up, please. So, I finished wiring up both alarms. This is just stuck to it. So, I finished wiring up both of these alarms right there. So now we're gonna make it loud. I think it's like 10 o'clock right now. So I'm only gonna do it about 4 times. So then my dad doesn't get that mad. And yeah, so, all right. Put this one right there, weirdly. Don't worry, there's no like water or anything in there that would ruin it, for sure. So we'll put the positive in there. Then with this alarm, we'll do the same thing. And then we'll put the battery, the negative over here. Come on. All right. So that needs to go there. I'm going to curve this wire. As you can hear, it definitely works. Okay, so I'm going to curve this wire to stay right there somehow. Then I need to get this wire prepared. So then this wire can come around here. So I might actually need to place this one here too. So, and then move the batteries closer. So I'm going to twist this wire like that. And then I'm going to prop it up right there. And then I can curve this wire and prop it up like that. So let me make sure that I can prop. You can kind of see the stroke. Alright, so I think I'm able to. I might be. Perfect. Okay, now I need to get this alarm figured out. So I'm going to put that over there. Perfect. Gosh. You can just see how loud it is based on my reaction on when it goes off. Alright, here we go. That's enough. That is way too loud. That actually kind of made my ears. Oh, they're ringing now. That was pretty loud. So this has been Fire Alarm Dude. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day or night for me.